Hello, I'm Mr. Jacobson, and I'm always trawling for swatches. Today we're looking at the Hiroyuki Matsuura Windy Bunny Beast Watch, SUOZ112. These are quite difficult to find, and in this case I don't think this is the original box, even though it could be, but it didn't come with any other packaging. Hiroyuki Matsuura is a Japanese graphic artist, and his designs are often quite over the top and very expressive, and in this case the characters are always key. Here we have the first close-up view of the front with the beast jaws. Very striking. Then we have two separate characters. We have one on the top part of the strap and one at the bottom. The back has a slightly waffled feel to it. The strap is made of silicone and is very soft. It's just like the Corto Maltese watch that I looked at the other week. But in this case, there is no discoloration. All the colors on this watch pop just as they should. You have accents of blue, light yellow, red, black and white. It all creates a very striking contrast, which is probably why I like the watch so much. Here we have a close-up of the character at the bottom of the strap. The detail here is that her eyes, or his eyes, are very light blue, but ever so slightly, very icy. At the top of the strap you have accents of red, and it looks very feral. A bit more wild. That sort of blends in with the beast at the dial. Here it says Windy Bunny Beast, which is what the watch is called. The dial is simply some very feral and wild jaws with big, sharp teeth. The hands are skeleton, and the second hand is red, and it has a very cathedral quality to it. And as you can see, there are no indices. It's a completely blank slate. I don't care about that in this case. The dimensions are as follows. The case width is 41mm, the case height is 47.4mm, and the case thickness is 9.85mm. So what does it look like on my wrist? Today, to keep with the theme, I'm wearing a shirt from the Japanese designer Kanzai Yamamoto, which is one of my all-time favorite shirts. I actually bought it in Kyoto. My wrist is 19 centimeters, or 7.48 inches, or 0.104 fathoms. It's a very comfortable watch to wear because of the silicone strap, and it sits very flush against my wrist. It looks great from every angle. It's such a crazy design with all the contrasting colors, and you just can't stop looking at it. This is a very striking watch. It's just something that will entertain you with every movement of your hand. Brilliant. It also passes the shirt test, fitting nicely under the cuff of your shirt. So thank you so much for watching. This is a very striking swatch, very rare, and it is now part of my personal collection. I'm Mr. Jacobson. Have a nice day.